Hey guys, welcome to Firmware. Now today we bring you two latest gadget, two latest products from OPPO. The left one is the OPPO Reno8Pro Plus, the latest smartphone from OPPO Reno, and my right one is the latest tablet from OPPO. And second tablet product from OPPO is the OPPO Pad X Pro. So today we will have a very basic and very simple introduction video about these two products. So let's from the left one, the OPPO Reno Pro Plus. This one is the gray color, and this time they provide three colors for you to choose: the gray, the black, and the cyan. Three colors, and I prefer this gray one. And also this time they do a lot of put a lot of effort on the design. So first is the back cover. We can find they make this part, the camera zoom part, to bombered, and is bombered. So also the camera part, 1, 2, 3 triple real chip cameras, 2 big and 1 small, and also this one, the third camera is the same size as the LED flashlight. So this is the balanced design. Also the camera zoom to the back cover, as you can see here, is the bombered, so the transition is so natural. So this is bombered, so it's really good design on this back cover. And also the size is not so big. The height is only 7.34 mm, and the width is only 7.34. Sorry, it's 183 grams. So it's slim, thin, and it's weight light. So it's very user-friendly smartphone. The OPPO bring it to us, and also the OPPO Reno have a 6.7-inch 120Hz refresh rate screen, and the display resolution is 2412 and 1080. It can reach to peak 950 nit brightness. So we can try to, so now we maximum the brightness, so you can see it can get very good display result. Well, OPPO is so nice, yes. And also this time they have a triple camera design. This one, the main camera is 50 megapixel, and the wide angle is 8 megapixel, and also macro lens is 2 megapixel. So it's good, very good shooting experience. Another thing I want to mention is that they also use their own developer chips on this smartphone. It's Maria Silk chips, so it's also good. And also this time they have a 4K shooting and night vision features added to this smartphone. The main one, yes, is IMX766 sensor, and the front camera is a punch hole in the middle, and there is a IMX709 iSCAT camera. We can try it. Yes, very nice. And they support wide angle as well. Check different zoom result as well, and we can find a lot of options for you to choose. You get good self pictures as well. And also this one, they have the MediaTek 8100 Max chips It's the latest chip from MediaTek. Latest flagship chips from MediaTek. Find the information here. Yes, here. Also, this time they bring a big battery. It's a 4500 big battery with 80-watt fast charger. This is the basic introduction of this model. And then let's go to the OPPO tablet, OPPO Pad Air. And this one, this is the second tablet product from OPPO. So, and this one is focused on the entry level, and the price is around $150. Is the size and the weight is smaller and lighter than the first tablet product. As you can see, the most impressive one will be the back cover. They used the combination of metal with 3D light material, and the left part, this one is not flat. Different angle, you can get different colors. Each time I get the product from OPPO, I really like it. I really like the design. Both of the product I like so much. Left one, the gray color, so nice, and the back cover design is so natural. And also for this one, I think this is the first time that the OPPO tablet have the two separate design in one in the tape pad back cover. It's so nice, and I think they really spend a lot of time on the design. This one, the left one, the back cover is kind of frosted. Result is not so flat. It's dull polished technology, and this one is not like the pure glass design, because it's not so shiny, but it's also get kind of light result. And also you can see it's not easy to left your fingerprint on both of the devices, so it's good. Also for this one, is much fashion design on this one. And also this time the size is not so big, is especially for the haze is only 6.94 mm, so it's almost the same haze, but this one is much thin, and also the weight is 440 grams, and the feeling of it on hand is so comfortable. Even if you hand it on your hand for a long time, you'll not feel tight. This time they provide a 10.36 inch LCD big screen. The resolution is 2000 and 1200. As you can see, it's got a big bezels, but you can find this one. Whoa, it's amazing small bezels. So I think this may be the next step. The tablet will will improve on the bezel. It's so nice, this one. Yes. Also, let's go to the tablet, the OPPO Air. No, it's Air, so it will be light, and its weight light, and it will be much smaller than the normal one. And also this time they have a the single rear camera. It's an 8 megapixel rear camera, and the wide angle is 77 degree, and it has a 4P lens design. On the front one is in the middle of the screen. When you hold it like this, it's here, as you can see, it's here. It's here. Yes, we can find it. So if 5 megapixel, it also have a 77 degrees, but it's a 3p lens. So when you take a real pictures or self pictures, you can also get decent pictures when you use it. I can show you the camera, so it's not as good as the, you can see it's not as good as the smartphone, but also it's nice. Front one, see, the smartphone is much better on the pictures. Yes, so this is about the camera and also for the processor. This time the OPPO Air, they have a 8-core octa-core Snapdragon SD680 processors. You have the third flagship processors in the market, but it have the I think it's have the a very good processor on tablet. It cannot compare to the as good as the smartphone, but also it's good on the tablet. Especially that they use the UFS 2.2 and it's also support LPDDR4X, so it's also good on the speed and also get good working efficiency on this tablet as well. And also for the speakers, this time they provide 1, 2, 3, 4 speakers. I think you can see this one only one, but this one have 4 speakers. So when you play games or watch videos, you get very good user experience on this part. And also it's passed the Dolby Atmos certification on the on the sound. So this is the basic introduction about the 2 models. So both of them get high quality, high score design on the high score design. OPPO Reno8Pro Plus and the OPPO Pad Air, both of them look so nice, and they have both of them are very slim, and the size is also bigger. Oh, we can find, yes, first stuff so nice. Yes, so nice. So I hope if you are interested in these 2 models, you can check it, and maybe you can check more information on the official website, and you can buy one if you really need decent or entry level tablet or cost-effective tablet, or you want a really nice need a smartphone that can get very good quality shooting and pictures. You can check this one. It's so nice and so beautiful, and when the hand is on hand, it's so comfortable. So yes, so this is the main content of these videos. So I hope you like it, and I hope you can stay tuned and waiting for more cool gadgets from here. Thanks for watching. Let's stay tuned. Bye bye.